How to create a resume on Canva. First, you want to simply open the Canva application. You want to simply tap on this search option over here. Before that, you want to simply go to this template section over here. If you are on this create section, you want to go to this templates option, and you might even be able to see your resume options over here. However, if you are not able to see it over here, you want to simply search for resume. By doing so, you'd be able to see all of these templates that are available. You want to simply tap on one of the template, then you want to choose. After that, you can simply zoom in on here. You can type it out every information over here, including the names, the titles, the details over here, your email addresses, your phone numbers, and even your profile picture over here. You want to simply edit all of these options over here according to your preference or according to your. After that, you want to simply tap on this download option to download your resume from Canva. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.